Learned yesterday. We just practiced tables, and then we looked at the basic operations. We looked at addition, subtraction, multiplication, and
Now we're going to do division.
we are going to do division. And I will. Who all doesn't eat chicken here?
Not me.
No, you
I
don't.
eat chicken.
You eat chicken. Who doesn't eat chicken here?
I eat chicken.
You eat chicken. How about you, Aditi and Jaganya?
I eat chicken, sir.
You eat chicken. How about you, Aditi? You are also fine with chicken?
Sometimes.
Sometimes, okay. So why I was asking that question was primarily because I'm going to teach something relating to a chicken and egg. So if I have somebody who is a hardcore vegetarian, they'll say, oh, you're talking about chicken. And that's why I was checking. If nobody's going to say you when I say chicken, okay? Alright, so we will talk about division, and we'll talk about division with a decimal. Okay? Yeah? Because, see, yesterday we were talking about multiplication, addition, subtraction. Those are the things, those are the baby stuff that you guys have done long time ago. You all know it, right? So I thought if I'm teaching something, you should learn something, and you should, after the class, you should say, yes, I learned something different. So let's do that. Okay, let me come back in a minute. Okay, so let's start with division. So first thing with division is when we try to distribute something. If I say divide 1, okay, who went missing? Nabia? Okay. So if I say divide 2 by 4, what I'm saying is I have maybe $2, maybe. Yes, Kavya?
Nothing.
Okay.
Just biting.
Yeah. So if I'm saying divide 2 by 4, what I'm saying is I have 2 chocolates and I have 4 kids. I have to divide the 2 chocolates among the 4 kids equally, without any bias, without being unfair to anybody. Yeah? Or it could be I have $2 and I have to break $2 into 4 equal pieces and distribute it among 4 kids. Let's say I go to buy bananas, okay, and they say 7 bananas come for $3. I just need 1. How much I have to pay? 7 bananas come for $3. If I have to just buy one banana, how much I have to pay? Any guess? I'm repeating my question again. So 7 bananas come for $3. Okay, that's the price written in the store. I just need to buy 1. How much I have to pay? हेलो लोकेश जी, क्या हाल चाल? बढ़िया बढ़िया सर, बच्चे भी क्लास में हैं. हेलो बेटा, हाउ आर यू? व्हाट्स योर नेम? लिटिल लाउडर. Ayushi? Ansh. Okay. Hello Ansh. Welcome to the class. Okay. Okay, beta. So, this is your first class. You see a lot of kids here. Yeah. So, you are in the 3rd grade. You are youngest of all. Most of them are in 4th or 5th grade, but it's okay. We will learn easy things, and if you get stuck anywhere, you will ask me, okay? I'm your dad's friend, so you can call me uncle if you want me to. Yeah? Okay? Alright. So feel comfortable. If you don't understand anything, please stop me, okay? Say that, sir, uncle, I did not understand something, I will try explaining it, okay? Alright. So today we are trying to learn division, okay? Do you know multiplication, addition, subtraction? Ansh? Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay, good. And if you don't know, don't be shy. Just let me know. We will learn it in a different way. Okay? Alright. So I was talking about a situation. I went to a store. Okay? I looked in the store. I wanted to buy bananas. And the storekeeper told me that 7 bananas come for $3. I just want 1 banana. How much I have to pay? Can somebody teach me?
Okay. I think it's
What is that, Salini?
I think it's next the set.
Again, I'm repeating myself. The storekeeper says 7 bananas come for $3. If I pay $3, he will give me 7 bananas. I don't want 7, I want only 1. How much do I have to pay? Yes, Aditi, tell me. Aditi, unmute yourself and tell me the answer. You are saying something, Aditi? Go ahead. Okay.
I think this is 3 divided by 7.
Wonderful. That's what I was wanting to hear. Yes.
Yeah, I think
3 by 7. So it's very simple. Let's say if I get 5 candies for $10. Okay? 5 candies for $10. How much I have to pay for 1 candy? It will be 10 divided by 5. Yeah? Let's say if I get 1 mango for $2. How much I have to pay for 5 mangoes? One mango for $2. How much I have to pay for 5 mangoes? 10. How? So Yaganya was trying to say something. Yeah, tell me.
I was saying it's 10 because you have to multiply by 5.
Exactly. So see, I am a very bad teacher. What I say is, I don't care about the answer. What I care about is the process. So when you give me the answer, I will not be very excited when I hear 10. I'll be more excited when you tell me that okay, 1 comes for 2, so 5 will come for 5 into 2. Now 5 into 2 is 10 or 15, I don't really worry much about it. Because you guys know about it. Yeah? You guys know the table. So always keep in your mind that how I'm doing it. What will be the answer, that we'll figure out. Okay? Yeah? So here, coming back to this one. 1 mango comes for $2, 5 mango will come for 2 into $5. 10 mango will come for 2 into $10. Yeah? Same way here, 7 bananas come for $3. 1 banana will come for 3 by $7. So, this is a multiplication example, this is a division example. When you multiply, when you know the quantity for 1 and you have to find for many, you multiply. When you know the value for many and you have to find for 1, you have to divide. Yes? So, you have to always figure out what I know. What I know, is that more, or what I have to know is more. In the first example I said, 1 mango comes for $2. How much I will have to pay for 10 mangoes? So what you know is 1 mango, price of 1 mango. What you have to find out is price of more mangoes, 10 mangoes. You have to multiply, because multiplication makes things bigger. If you know the value, the price of 7 bananas and you have to find out the price of 1, that means you know about more. You want to find out for less. How do you make it less? By dividing something. Yeah? If I have one mango at home and I have 3 people who are wanting to eat that, everybody will get less because I'm dividing. Yeah? So just keep that in mind. That when I divide, I get lesser value. When I multiply, I get a bigger value. So depending on whether you're trying to find out a smaller value or a bigger value, you will multiply or divide. Is that okay? Ans, am I speaking very fast for you?
No.
No? Oh, good. Everybody is able to follow me?
Yes.
Okay, wonderful. Where did Aditi go? Okay, yeah. No, so if you keep your videos on, that actually helps me because no, I can see your face. I can make out whether I'm able to explain things or not. If you turn off your video, I would not know whether I'm talking to you or I'm talking to the screen. Okay? Alright. So now we know how do we do division and when we do multiplication. Sorry. Now we know when we need to do multiplication and when we need to do division. Now let's try doing division. Let's do how. We just learned when to do division or when to do multiplication. Now we are trying to find out how to do division. Okay, let's do it. And the same question for Ans also. Ans, do you eat chicken? No?
Yes.
You eat? Okay. That's fine. Because I'm going to use the formula relating to chicken. And if you eat chicken, then you will not say you. People who don't eat chicken, they'll say you're talking about chicken. Yeah? Okay. Alright. Let's do division. I have to divide 42 by 2. Do you guys know how to do it?
Yes.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Even if you all know, I will still do it. First thing that we learned yesterday was, we will write it very clearly, okay? We will not try to save space on the paper or on the board. We will write it very clearly, keep enough space between them. Now, we are trying to divide 42 by 2. How do we start? We pick the first number, 4. And we are trying to divide by 2. Is 4 bigger than 2? Answer is yes. That means I can start. Now let's start recalling the table of 2. 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4. I can go up to 2 2 are 4. If I say 2 3 are 6, that will be bigger than this. So I cannot go 2 3 are 6. I'll start at 2 2 are 4. Okay? And then 4 minus 4 is 0. This first step is done. Now what happens? The number next comes down. Okay? So always assume that there is a ladder. Okay, after one step is done, it uses the ladder and comes down. This number 2 came down. Only one number comes down. Okay? Now, is 2 bigger than 2 or equal to 2 or smaller than 2? It's same as 2, right? So 2 1 are 2. Done. Yeah? Now, this was the easiest of the problem to solve. Let's look at another one. Let's say 743 divided by 6.
Sir, Ramesh here. Feedback to suggest your camera is going off several times.
Why?
We are not able to.
Can you not see me?
We can see you now, but it's going on and off. Every time you are writing something on the board, it's going off and then it's coming back.
Okay, that is...
It's not happening to me.
Okay. Was it
Now
a...
you have to feed properly.
I'm sorry?
I'm checking if other things are able to see you, sir.
Yeah. Is everybody able to see me fine?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir. I'll check again.
There might be some problem, some intermittent problem, right? The internet is not a good friend to rely on always. Okay, all right. So, again, for everybody, right? Whatever we are doing in the class, that is getting recorded without the kids' faces being seen, okay? So, all the recording is happening with this iPad, okay, where the kids' faces are not seen, okay. It's only me and the board that is visible, and this video will be uploaded on the YouTube so that every kid can use this for their revision later on, okay. So even if some of the part of the video is not visible, the kids can always refer to it after the class also, okay.
Yeah, sure, sir. Thank you.
Okay. All right. So now what we are going to do is we are trying to divide 743 by 6. Everybody with me? Kavyan, you have turned off your camera. Okay. So same approach. Remember this. The approach for division will not change. The numbers could change, but approach will not change. So same thing. I look at the first number 7. Is it bigger than 6? Yes, it is bigger than 6. So I can start with this one. 6 1 is 6. 6 2 is 12. So I cannot go till 12. I can go only till 6 1 is 6. 6 1 is 6. What is remaining? 1. Now, what I told was that one number comes down with a ladder every step. So what happens is 1 is my remainder here. 4 comes down. This guy comes down. Okay. Now I have 14. Let's look at the table of 6. 6 1 is 6. 6 2 is 12. 6 3 is 18. I cannot go to 6 3 is. I can go to 6 2 is 12. 6 times 2 is 12. What is remaining? 2. Do I have anything left here? Yes. There is 3 remaining here. One number 3 comes down. What do I have? 23. Again same thing. I will start with my table. 6 1 is 6. 6 2 is 12. 6 3 is 18. 6 4 is 24. I cannot go to 6 4 is. 6 3 is what I can do. 6 3 is 18. What is remaining? Is 5. And this is where I will stop. This is my remainder. I cannot go any further because there is no other number here. This is my remainder. This is my answer. Yeah? So when I was trying to divide 743 by 6, this is what I got. Yeah? This is my remainder. So far we have not talked about chicken and egg. Now I am planning to. Okay? So this is a simple thing. When you don't have to convert anything into decimal, you are okay finding out the remainder, this is where you will stop. Now, let me do something different. Let's say I have to divide 18 by 4. Okay? Now before I try dividing this one, let me give you guys one story. Decimal place. Okay, who all knows what is a decimal? If I say 1.2, you guys know it? Yes, Salini, do you know what is decimal?
Yes.
A little bit. Ansh, have you heard about decimal?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. How about you, Yaganya? Have you heard about decimal? You're good? Okay. Now, so you guys know about decimal. So now let me tell you the story. So decimal is a chicken which lays one egg at a time. Decimal is a chicken which lays one egg at a time when you are trying to do division. Okay? Yes, Aditi, think something.
I don't know what this
You don't know what is decimal? Okay. So let me just spend 1 minute here quickly. I have $1. I have $2. I have $4. These are complete notes, right? $1 note, $2 note. Or if I have 4 $1 note, that makes it $4. Have you seen those coins? The quarters, the dimes, the nickels, yeah? Those are smaller than a dollar. Yeah? Those, the quarters that you see, the nickels that you see, the dimes that you see, cents, those are smaller than dollar. Those are part of a dollar, a smaller portion of a dollar. Okay? So that can be represented. Okay, now let's look at this. I have a $1 note. I want to distribute it among 4 kids. I will give everybody 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Yeah? If I have $5, I have to distribute among 3 kids. How much I will give? 5 by 3 to everybody? Yeah? When you divide something, and the answer is not a complete number, not a whole number, that is when you end up dealing with a fraction like this, or it will become a decimal like this. Okay? So decimal is something which says it is less than a whole number. Okay? Now I'll give you one more example. Let's say if you have $1, what you will write? $1. Let's say if you have $1 and 1 quarter, you will write $1.25. If you have $1 and 2 quarters, it will be $1.5. What it means is $1 complete and less than a dollar. $1 complete, less than a dollar. If I say $7.35, what I mean is $7 full. Okay? And then some coins. That's what it is. Okay? When you're talking about something that is not a whole, not a complete number by itself, smaller than 1, that is when decimal comes into play. Okay? Now let me try to find out. If I say I had $2, I distributed among 4 kids, how much everybody got? You will say 2 by $4. Yeah? Now let's find out how much is that. How much is 2 by 4? Let's try to find it out. Okay? Yeah? You know it, but I don't know it. I just know how to find it out. Okay? Now, so we'll find it out. Now, let's do a division first, and then we will come back to the finding decimal thing. Now, decimal is nothing but a dot written between numbers that represents that you're talking about something which is less than 1. Okay? Yeah? Okay. So if I have 65.38, this is full number. This part of the number is less than 1. That's what it means. Okay? Meaning you have some notes and you have some coins. Yeah? Now let's try to find out. How do we find out decimal values? Let's divide 18 by 4. I am trying to divide 18 by 4. Okay? Let's start with the division. First number 1. 1 is smaller than 4. I cannot do anything. Let's pick first 2 numbers. 1 and 8. Now let's start the table of 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. Yeah? 20 is more than this. So I cannot do 4 5s. I will say 4 4s is what I will do now. 4 4s are 16. What is remaining? 2. This is my remainder. This is where you would have stopped. Yeah? This is my remainder. This is my answer. And there is no other number. I cannot do anything more. Nothing comes down. This is when the chicken comes into play. Okay? Now remember what I told you guys. A decimal is a chicken that lays 1 egg at a time. 1 egg at a time. Only 1 egg, okay? Don't try to kill the chicken to get all the eggs. Okay? Only 1 egg. Now this is where I stop. So then I have to go back to the chicken. This is my decimal. Decimal is my chicken. Okay? As soon as I put a decimal is my chicken that lays 1 egg at a time. It lays 1 egg. Now I have 20. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16, 4 5 ja 20. Done. So now here if you see, when I divided 18 by 4, it became 4.5. If you relate that with a scenario where I had $18 and I had to distribute it among 4 kids, how much everybody gets? $4.5. Okay? Now let's look at another one. Let's say I have $6. Okay? I want to distribute that among 12 kids. There are 12 kids in a group and I have only $6. I want to distribute it equally among them. Meaning I have to divide 6 by 12. Yeah? I had 6, I am dividing it among 12 kids. Now, 6 is smaller than 12. What do? I am stuck. That is where chicken comes to my rescue. Chicken is, decimal is the chicken that lays 1 egg at a time. As soon as I put the decimal, it laid 1 egg. Now the table of 12. 12 1 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24, 12 3 ja 36, 12 4 ja 48, 12 5 ja 60. Done. It's 0.5. If it is 0.5, I can write a 0.5. That's also okay. So when I was trying to divide $6 among 12 kids, everybody gets $0.5. $0.5, which is also called $0.50. Okay? Okay? Now let's say, how much is a quarter? How much is a quarter? 1 quarter, 25 cents, is 1/4 of a dollar. Okay? If you have to find out 25 cents is how many dollars, you have to find it by doing this. Meaning by dividing 1 by 4. Okay? You'll be able to find out how much is 25 cents. Now, I told you guys that decimal is a chicken that lays 1 egg at a time. But all the sum we have done, we have seen only 1 egg. Only 1 egg. We have not seen that 1 egg at a time thing so far. Let's do that. Now let's try doing that 1 egg at a time. Where is that getting applied? Let's try to divide 1 by 6. Sorry, 1 by 8. Meaning I had one very big apple or one watermelon and there are 8 members in the family. I have to distribute it equally among them. Okay? One watermelon to be divided among 8 people. I want to find out how much that will be. Okay? Yeah? Now, if I have to divide 1 by 8, 1 is smaller than 8. 1 is much smaller than 8. What can I do? This is when I have to worship chicken. I ask chicken, come to help me. As soon as I asked chicken to come over, chicken laid 1 egg. Now 8 1 ja 8. 8 1 ja 8. What is remaining? 2. 2 is smaller than 8. But what did I say? Decimal is a chicken that lays 1 egg at a time. Here it laid 1 egg. Every time it will lay 1 egg. 1 egg at a time. So every step of division it will lay 1 egg. Only 1. So 1 egg it laid here Another egg it will lay here. 8 2s are 16. 8 3 are 24. So I will go up to 16. What is remaining? 4. 4 is still smaller than 8. But I don't have to worry. I have chicken. Chicken lays one egg at a time. Okay? 8 5 is 40. Done. So the answer is 0.125. If I have a 0.125, I can put a 0 here. This is my answer. So here, the theory of chicken laying one egg at a time got applied. You saw here it laid one. As soon as you put a decimal, and you don't have to keep on putting decimal after decimal. You cannot have a number which says 0.12, 0.34, 0.68. No. You can only put one decimal, okay? That's why once you put a decimal, it keeps on laying one egg at a time at every step. No matter how many steps you have in your division, okay? If you have to do 20 steps, it will lay one egg at every step. But only one. Yes, Salini, you're saying something.
Sir, what if the answer was like $1 or something like that? Like in the version of dollars?
So, it was, let's say, it was $1 to be divided among 8 people. So my answer will be $0.125. I will just say this. If I was dividing $1 among 8 kids, my answer will be 1 by 8. That's it. 1 by $8 or $0.125, whatever is my answer here. So it's as simple as that. Let's say you have 5 bananas and there are 2 siblings. So 5 is to be divided by 2. 5 bananas is to be divided among 2 kids. Yeah? So you will say 5 by 2. What you will do? 5 divided by 2. Okay? 5 divided by 2. 2 times 2 is 4. What is remaining? 1. What will you do now? You are stuck. That is when chicken comes to your rescue. Your chicken comes to your rescue. Put a dot, a decimal. It lays one egg. 2 5 is 10. What did you get? Your answer is 2.5. So if you had 5 bananas at home, there were 2 siblings to be distributed among, everybody gets 2.5, 2.5. Okay? And you don't have to trust me because I am saying so. You have to trust this because this is what this math says. I mean, I could have told that, okay, there are 5 bananas, 2 kids, 2.5. But that is just the answer. Why would you care? What you care about is how it is derived. And that is what I would want you guys to focus on. Okay? Alright. Now let's do few more sums. So I am giving you guys some sums and I want to see if whatever I explained was that easy to follow for you guys. Okay? I'm not trying to check your knowledge. I'm just trying to check if my teaching was effective or not. So that's why I'm giving you guys few sums. Let's see who all are able to solve it. And if you get stuck, I am anyways here. I will solve it. So divide 175 by 5. This is one sum. Okay? 64 by 4. Second sum. This is 1, this is 2. And the third one is 3 by 9. Or not 3 by 9. I'll give you 3 by 12. So 3 by 6. Okay. So there are 3 sums that I want you guys to do. One is divide 175 by 5. Second one is divide 64 by 4. And third one is divide 3 by 6. Let's try doing it not to be shy. Oh, I am not able to do it. This is tough. This is easy. Or who will say what? It is just my test. I'm just trying to find out if I was able to explain you guys easily or not. Okay? And once you are ready, raise your hand. I'll be back in a minute just to get some water. It should be quick. Unless I have got you guys confused, okay? Anybody ready? No? Okay, okay, take your time. You guys have 2-3 more minutes. Okay? Let's see who is ready. Oh. Let's see what Ans says. You have to unmute yourself better. You're on mute. Okay?
First answer is 21 from 135 divided by 5.
How much you said?
21.
Okay. How about the second one?
Second one, I got 19. I mean 16.
Okay. How
Third,
about
I got 2.
got 2?
Yeah.
3 divided by 6. I'm dividing 3 by 6, not 6 by 3.
The first
Yeah.
one is 35.
So this is, try doing it. You have time. Okay. Let me see the answer for the kids also. Here you will apply that chicken egg theory that I was explaining you guys. Okay. I'm dividing 3 by 6. You find out that chicken wala formula. Okay. And then tell me if you're able to solve it. All right. How about you, Yaganya?
For the first question, I got 35.
Okay.
And the second and the third one, I got same as 16 and wait, I got 16 and the last one I got 0.5.
Exactly.
Same,
Okay.
I got those two.
Okay. Kavya also same.
Yeah.
So you got 35, 16 and 0.5. Okay. How about you, Shalini?
So I got for the first one I got 37. With the second one I got 16.
So you
And
got
the third one I
37.
got 0.5.
Okay, 37, 16 and 0.5. Okay. Aditi?
The first one is 35.
Okay. Second one?
I'm still working with my dad.
Okay. So, let's see what Ans has to say. Ans, were you able to find out the answer for the third one?
Which one?
Third one, 3 by 6.
I forgot the sum of the third one.
Okay, 3 by 6.
3 by 6.
You have to divide 3 by 6, okay?
Yeah.
No, you are dividing 6 by 3. You have to divide 6 by 3. It's a fraction.
Yeah. So hence you have to remember that the number that you are trying to divide is 3 and the number you are trying to divide by is 6. Okay? So inside the,
The number is small, you do.
it's here, it's like this. You have to put a 3 inside this bracket and 6 outside.
Yeah.
No, no, with this.
And
Right, it's okay. It's like this. 6, 3, right? It's a smaller number, correct? You will do. Right. So you had 0 here. Now again 6. How many are the 30?
6 are 30.
6, 6.
6 5s are 30.
5 and 30.
So
Yeah.
30. 0, 0. What is the answer?
0.5.
right.
That's it. It's fraction 1.2, right?
Right. So to do that in a more playful way, Ansh and everybody, if you have to remember this in a very easy way, whenever you come across a situation where you have to divide a smaller number by a bigger number, that is when you have to recall that it is only chicken that will come to your rescue. When you have to divide a small number by a bigger number, that is when you try recalling chicken. And chicken is nothing but the decimal, which keeps on laying one egg at a time. Only one egg at a time, remember that. Okay? Okay? Now, let me show you guys my skill. And I'm certainly not trying to do that, okay? I was just bluffing. So, if I have, let's say, 1, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 9. Divide this by 12. Just by looking at the question, people might start worrying, right? Oh, this is too big a sum. My suggestion to you all would be, this is not too big a sum. You guys are just 15 minutes early. You can have a seat.
Yeah, just you carry it, sir, because
Yeah.
I just came to talk about it.
Just give me. I will turn on the fan. It is kind of very hot, so that's why. Okay. And just give me 2 seconds. Just allow me to.
Yeah.
Just stay a little away from that.
Yeah.
It will make you wet. It will make you wet. Just be careful. Okay. So when you look at this sum, this might look a little scary. You might think that, oh, this is a very big problem. But actually it's not. It's just about following the same steps, same process for doing it. Now, many of you in this class know the table of 12. What would you do? You will start same approach like how we have been doing so far. First number 1 is smaller than 12. You cannot do anything about it. In the first go, you will pick first 2 numbers, 17. 12 1 is 12. What is remaining? 5. And then one number comes down at every step. So 6 comes down. Now you go with the table of 12. 12 4 is 48. What is remaining? 8. So this one is done. Now 4 comes down. 12 7 is 84. So let me change this a little bit. This is 5, let's say. Okay? So 5 comes down. 12 7 is 84. 1 remaining. So this is done. Then 3 comes down. 12 1 is 12. What is remaining? 1. Then 2 comes down. Let me make it 3. Okay? So 3 comes down. 12 1 is 12. 1 remaining. Then 9 comes down. Okay? 12 1 is 12. What is remaining? 7. And this is where you get stuck. Now 7, all the numbers have come down and this is the smallest, this number is smaller than 12. There is nothing that you can do. This is when you end up recalling your chicken egg theory. Decimal is the chicken that lays one egg at a time. You put the decimal here, it lays one egg. You want to turn the fan to the side? Jessica? Just be careful, yeah. So 12, 5 are 60. What is remaining? 10. 10 is smaller than 12, but your chicken is laying one egg at a time. 12 eggs are 96. What is remaining? 4. Your chicken keeps on laying one egg at a time. 12 3 are 36. What is remaining? 4. So here what I was trying to say was, in simple terms, any sum, any division that you talk about, there is nothing different. Don't get scared by looking at the size of the sum, because what matters is the process, how you do it step by step. As long as you follow the steps clearly without getting distracted, as long as you write the numbers properly without messing it up, without making it look clumsy, it will be all fine. Okay? So just make sure that you write your question very clearly and make sure that you follow the same steps one after another. As long as you do that, you are good. Yeah? So this is Sunday. I wanted to make this class shorter. We have learned division and we have learned decimals also. How to convert, how to divide a number and to, if we end up converting into a decimal. And that is where we applied the chicken egg formula, chicken egg theory. Hope that helps you remember it. And what we'll do is, I will send you guys few assignments. Do the sums and make sure that these assignments are not for you to do it yourself and not to show it to me. Do it, show it to your parents and explain how you are doing it. If you are able to explain, you have learned it. If you are not able to explain, I will get to know about it, and that is when we will do it again and make sure that this is understood in a simpler, better way. Yeah? Alright? I am giving you guys 10 minutes back on a Sunday so that you can enjoy the rest of your evening, and we can meet again tomorrow, next Saturday. Yeah? I plan not to bother you guys on weekdays, okay? We'll meet next Saturday. Have fun, enjoy the rest of your evening. We'll talk again on Saturday. Wait for the assignment and I'll upload the video of the class soon, maybe by tomorrow. Yeah?